Hey all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my Ipsy Glam Bag Regular for December of 2020. I'm also going to show you what came in the refreshments for this month. I'm so excited. I wasn't aware that I was getting this, but here it is, you guys. We got the goods, and we get to see firsthand what this new subscription is going to be all about and what we're getting in here. So I'm very, very, very excited. So if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I want to mention really quick that I am doing Vlogmas this year for the first time, so if that's something you're interested in, definitely go check it out. I'll have it linked below. And I also opened up 2 Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes. They were so freaking good that I literally could have had a heart attack. They were so good. I'll have them linked below as well in my holiday playlist. Okay, let's get on with what we got. So first off, this is the bag, and I'm living for it because, as you can tell, this is my kind of material. I love any kind of like furry, Sherpa-y type situation. This is what I like. I love it. I mean, this feels kind of not as good as a Sherpa, but it still feels pretty nice. I think it's cute. I love it. I love the color. I love this little detail color. Cute. So the very first thing in here is actually the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I actually already have this in the full size, but I'm actually really happy to have it in a mini size because I bought the full size from a BoxyCharm pop-up a long time ago, or an add-on, and it came chunky and dry. So I'm really excited because I really like this mascara. So I'm very pleased to have it again, and hopefully it's not, you know, dried out and nasty. Next up, we have the POREfessional Pore Primer from Benefit. Now, as you guys know, if you've been around for a while, you already know that this primer and my skin don't mix. It kind of burns a little bit. I don't know why. So I'm not gonna get any use out of this, but I can say that I have the other one, the hydrating one, and it's very good. So that one, the formula is a little different, so it doesn't burn my skin like this one does. So I'm gonna pass this along to like my niece or something because I just can't use it. It just doesn't work for me. I'm so sorry. Next up, we have a brush. This is a powder brush from Bo Cha Cha. I don't know. This is a really cute powder brush though. Let's get this zoom. I hope that the camera quality comes out great because I tested it, because you guys know I've been having very awful quality problems lately. But this is the brush. I really like the like green ombre into the gold. That's very pretty. It's very soft. Cannot wait to use this. Next up, we have something from Murad. This is the Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. This looks like a nice deluxe size sample, if I do say so myself. Love this. Come on, zoom. I know you got it in you. Oh yeah, we love that quality right there. I'm really excited about this. I've been getting so much Murad products, but like nothing that I'm like too like interested in, but I want a cleanser. I die for cleansers. Oh, there's a safety seal on it. I was like, why can't I smell it? Okay, anyways, the last thing that came in the Ipsy Glam Bag Regular this month is the Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. Lovely. Cannot wait to use this. Purlisse is like freaking phenomenal. So that's everything that came in this bag. Now for the big daddy, we have the Nomad X Tosca. I think that's how you say it. It's in Italy. This is an intense eyeshadow palette. It's super cute. Nomad has really nice quality shadows. I really liked the Berlin Underground palette. I have 2 videos on that I did over a year ago, and I'm really excited about this one. I've always wanted to go and like pick something up from their brand. I just never have. But here's the palette. Oh, and these shades are actually really pretty. Gorgeous. They have a really like satiny like feel. Yeah, they feel so creamy. I am definitely gonna get some use out of that. I don't know why I even showed you my finger swatch because you couldn't see anything, but I'm really excited about this. This is a really good brand. Next up, we have something from QMS. This is the Metacosmetics Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. Very excited about this. Now, you know this brand is expensive as all get out, so you know you love to see it in your plus. I know several of you got this cream, so I think you're gonna really like it. Ooh, and then the packaging even looks really nice. Oh my god, I want to smell it. Let's see what it smells like. fudge knuckles. I had an oopsie. It smells really good. Okay. Crap. I wish I didn't like fling it out. Like I look like something bad really happened here. Okay, we're just gonna be messy and close it back up. But here, let's put it on my hand. I think that'll be fine. Okay. Problem solved. Oh, it smells like a grandma, but in like the best way. Like, God, I want to like bathe in this. That smells so good. Okay. Next up we have from Wander Beauty, the Skyliner Automatic Gel Eyeliner. Ooh, love that it's automatic. Ooh, your love is automatic. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Can't open it. My hands are like slippery. Okay, automatic liner. I hope this is better than all the liners that I tried today. Actually, I think mine, no, it's not. I tried 3 different eyeliners today because I was really trying to do a wing and it didn't work out. Oh, this is like very creamy. Like you barely touch it and you get some serious action. Love that. It's like a first date. Anyways, next up we have, oh, this is my favorite thing in here. I wanted it so bad. Okay, the Tula Skincare So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. So excited. Okay. I'm gonna toss that because I know I'm gonna be using this. Oh, look at it. Would you just freaking look at it? I'm so excited. I wonder what this smells like. This is going in my shower ASAP. It has like a light citrusy smell, which I think it does. I don't know. I'm still smelling my hands because they smell so good. Okay, really excited about this. So pumped, you don't even know. And then the last thing in here is the Verify. Is that even it? Because I can't read cursive to save my life. Verify. Verify, I think is what it says. Maybe not. Okay. This is the 2020 Photo Glycogen plus Peptides Eye Cream. So I got 2 different eye creams. Okay, not a problem. And oh, this is like pretty packaging. Wait a minute. Look. Ooh. I don't know why I'm attempting to smell because I can't smell literally anything. Oh, it's like a nice like thin consistency. Love that. Okay. The last thing I got besides the refreshments is I got an Ipsy deck of cards, which I think is actually like the cutest thing ever. Like I can't wait to play with them. Like how cute is that? I apologize that you guys won't be getting this because it's like an Ipsy Studios like only thing, which kind of sucks that I wish like you guys could get it too. But I mean, you know, whatever. And then also the Happy Holidays from Ipsy Open Studios 200-piece puzzle. I'm really excited for Vlogmas especially because we can do this together and we can see what it looks like. I don't know. So I'm just gonna set it back here. Now for Ipsy refreshments. Yes. Okay. I don't know what we do here. Let's take this. Where's my Smith & Wesson? We can rip, I guess. Honestly, I just kind of really need to hurry up with this video because I have to go pick up my son. Okay, here we go. Boom. All right. I'm really excited to see what we get in here. So why settle for basics when you have refreshments? Exactly, right? Okay, show us how you get funky. Who doesn't love a little solo party? Share your products, quirkiest, glammiest me time moments with refreshments party. Okay. So we got some stickers. Dare to demand extra refreshments. Beautify your basics. Okay, cute. Wait, are these like just stickers or are they like, I feel like, okay, these are cute. I know my son will take those in a heartbeat. And I just have to say, right off the bat, what's going on, Ipsy? Why is this bag so freaking cute? I have to know, why is this bag so freaking cute? I'm dying over the bag. And like these match the inside of the box. That's like really cute. Okay. So let's see what we got in here. Number 1, obviously this is all gonna be by refreshments. I might repeat myself. This is the Velvety Body Cream in Citrus Spritz. Love it. Ooh, girl. Look. Okay, I wanna smell it. I can't smell anything. Okay, we'll try again a different day because today it's not happening. Here we have cleansing face wipes, 30 count. Great. I love the packaging. Like they're so freaking thoughtful with the packaging. They smell like they have like a light scent, which is fine. Like, you guys know I'm always playing with makeup and I need like my swatches and stuff removed a lot. That's when I use these. Or if I'm doing like makeup looks, yada yada. I'm really excited about this and like a reoccurring type thing. Okay, and then last is the Luscious Hand Cream. I really like this packaging. It's so cute. I'm not even going to open it and smell it because I know I'm not going to be able to. But like, that is so great. I really hope that they have like razors and stuff like that. That would be so cool, and shaving cream. So anyways, that is everything, you guys. I want to know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Number 1, how's the video quality today? Number 2, how's the sound quality? Because I'm recording on a microphone for the first time in forever. And 3, what did you get in your Ipsy? Actually, you don't even have to tell me because I'm going to make another video talking about the Ipsy Plus and showing everybody's like choices and stuff. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and being here. I really enjoyed everything I got, and I'm really happy about it and super excited. And I can't believe that I'm going to be doing spoilers soon for 2021. What's my life? Or the fact that I'm doing Vlogmas. Like, what? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!